Hi guys and welcome to Strength Universe. This is just another quick video to bring you the results of the Deadlift for Reps, which was the 5th event of the 2021 World's Strongest Man Final. Sharing the win was Trey Mitchell, JF Cron and Adam Bishop, all of whom achieved 10 reps and get 9 points each. Brian Shaw and Bobby Thompson both got 9 reps and get 6.5 points each. And Tom Stockman and Konstantin Janashia both achieved 8 reps and get 4.5 points. I4 achieves 7 reps and gets 3 points, Luke Stockman 6 reps and gets 2 points, and finally Maxime Boudreau achieves 3 reps and gets a single point. This means that while Tom Stockman is still leading the finals at 35.5 points, Brian Shaw is just 1 point behind at 34.5. Luke Stockman and Trey Mitchell are now sharing third with 29 points apiece, and Maxime Boudreau and Konstantin Janashia are in joint 5th. JF Caron is in 7th place, Bobby Thompson in 8th, Adam Bishop in 9th and I4 in 10th. The final event, which is the Atlas Stones, will take place in approximately 3 hours time, and as long as Tom Stockman can finish ahead of Brian Shaw, he will be the 2021 World's Strongest Man. That brings me towards the end of this update, but it'd be great if you could help support my channel by smashing like, sharing the video and subscribing. Thank you.